Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of Python and exploring its various data types. Understanding these is crucial whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your programming skills. So let's get started. First up, we have integers. These are your whole numbers, folks. No decimals here. In Python, integers are super versatile and you can use them for counting, indexing, and more. They're like the building blocks of numbers in the world of programming. Next, we encounter floats. Now these are the numbers with decimals. Need precision in your calculations? Floats are your go-to. They're perfect for anything that requires a more detailed numerical representation like measurements or scientific calculations. Now let's talk about strings. Imagine strings as a sequence of characters used to store text. Want to print a message or analyze a word? You'll need a string for that. It's like labeling your data with descriptive text to make everything more readable and manageable. Moving on to lists. Oh, they're interesting. Lists are like containers that hold a collection of items under a single variable. You can mix and match data types here. Integers, floats, strings, you name it. They are incredibly flexible and a must-know for organizing your data efficiently. We also have tuples, similar to lists, but with a twist. They are immutable. Once you create a tuple, you can't change it. This is particularly useful for data that should remain constant through the life of a program, securing its integrity. Don't forget about dictionaries. These are real game changers. Dictionaries store data in key value pairs, allowing for fast retrieval. Think of it as a real dictionary where you look up a word, the key, to get its definition, the value. Super handy for when you need quick access to specific elements. And lastly, we have sets. Sets are collections like lists and tuples, but they only allow unique elements. If you hate repetition and need to keep data unique, sets are your friend. They automatically remove any duplicates and are perfect for operations like union and intersection. Understanding these data types will not only help you in coding with Python, but also in thinking computationally about solving problems. So try them out, experiment, and see how you can best use them in your next project. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in. Dive into Python, play around with its data types, and unlock new possibilities in your coding journey. Catch you in the next one.